Hey, what's going on, guys? Happy Thursday. The weekend is so close, so I hope you all get the chance to go camping and really get into that fall weather. I think it's the perfect time to go camping. We're going to take a look at this pre-owned unit. This is a 2017 Montana 3820FK. I've actually showed this before, but it's one of the units that is featured on our sale that actually started yesterday, and it's going on until October 30th. So you guys will have to come out and check out all the units that are a part of that sale. But this is just a really unique Montana floor plan, and I think you guys are really going to love it if you didn't catch the video before. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the outside first. So here at the very front, you have your More Ride pin box, and the patented hitch vision is just up above there. So this can help line up your tow vehicle with your pin box, and it's really helpful actually. Some accent lights are also on your front cap, and then as you can see, you have a great big window, and I'll show you where that leads once we get in there. Kind of save the best part for last. Just underneath there is some additional storage space, but it's also where your hydraulic fluid is, and a spot for your battery. Coming over to our camping side, you have two propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other, and some pass-through storage. So great spot for extra camping gear to go. And of course, there's your power cord, and you even have an outlet here on the inside of your pass-through storage, so you can plug stuff in if you would like. And if you see, just next to that is a central vac system. So that's pretty much a vacuum built inside your camper, so you can sweep out anything that happens to spill in your pass-through storage, or sweep your patio outdoor camping space. So it's really awesome. More power outlets here on the outside, and then as you can see, you have 3 slide outs here on your camping side. You have this power awning that stretches over this middle slide out here, so you really get some extra shade if you need it. 2 entrances as well, and as you can see, your main entrance has this oversized grab handle just for some extra stability, and both of these doors have the friction hinge, so you don't have to worry about it slamming into your camper and damaging it and stuff. Of course, your steps. Frameless windows, which looks great, and you'll see those all across the outside of it. Bluetooth capable outside speakers as well. Moving along towards the back. And then here is your rear ladder, so that means you have a fully walkable roof. And this is just an easy way to keep up on your roof and slide out maintenance, checking your slide outs for sticks and twigs and stuff that may have fallen during your camping trip. So you really can prevent a lot of damage with that. And there's actually a rear camera, so you can back into your spot pretty nicely. And then over here on our non-camping side, you have 2 more slide outs. And this is actually some additional storage that you can access from your bedroom as well. So if you need to get to something here on the outside, you can do that, or from the master bedroom. This also has 6-point hydraulic auto leveling. And then there is access to your water heater. And then, of course, we have all of our water hookups. So starting from the top is your outside shower. That's what this really long hose connects to. So you can extend that out, rinse off things if you would like. Freeze guard winterizing system, water heater bypass, winterized city water connection, tank fill, power flush, all of that fun stuff. Battery disconnect, you can just access right here. So now let's take a look at the inside. All right, so starting from the back and then moving our way towards the front, it's already starting to look pretty unique in this Montana. This is a 1 level leading into your bedroom. Normally you see the steps leading up into the master bedroom, but here it's just all leveled out with your living room space. You have your mattress tucked in that slide out, so you really have a lot of walking space in the front and on the sides, so it's not feeling super claustrophobic or cramped in here. Like I said before, you can lift up that mattress for the additional storage. Really interesting leather pleated kind of headboard there on the back. Windows on either side that does have some shades, and this great big window all the way at the back as well. So this is really the prime view for wherever you park your camper, the beach, a lake view, wherever you have a lot of natural light, and you just get a perfect view of it. Cabinet space or storage is up above, and you also have reading lights as well, end tables on both sides with power to plug in electronics or sleep at machines. To my right, you actually have some additional storage, and it's even where you are prepped for a washer and dryer hookup. So it's not too far from your bedroom, obviously, so you can wash your clothes in here. More storage up above. Barn style sliding door for that extra privacy as well. And then across from your bed, you have a lot of closet storage. So mirror panel on the front, and then your built-in clothes rack. More storage is in between. And then same thing on your right. You also have a TV already in here, which is great. And check out all of these doors down below. You have 9 of them. So there is definitely a lot of storage in here for you. Coming out into our hallway, kind of have the pivot style door leading into our bathroom. I love that it is right next to this second entrance. So if you do have guests at your campsite, or your kids are running around getting dirty, need to use the restroom, they can quickly access it right here without having to track all of that sand, dirt, and grime and stuff into your camper. So coming in here, you have your solid surface countertops leading into your sink. Storage is down below, power, and then of course your medicine cabinet. Also have this towel hook too. And then across from your sink is your porcelain foot flush toilet. Cabinet space up above for your towels and linens. And one thing I would like to point out is these ceilings are so tall. I don't even know how tall they are, maybe 10 feet, 11 feet, something like that. You do not have to worry about hitting your head on the ceiling while you are trying to take a shower. Plus you have that skylight up above too. So really impressive with how tall the ceilings are. 3-paneled sliding glass door leading into your shower. And that's also a sit-down shower too, great for relaxing. Removable shower head. And then coming out here, kind of some additional storage space. A couple hooks for your keys and leashes. And then up above is your control panel for those slide outs, awnings, everything that you could ever want is all in one location. And then coming out into our living room space, 2 opposing sofas here in this slide out, which again really opens up this space right here. You're not feeling super cramped. This is also a great entertaining and hosting space for the kids to running around, guests to come over, or even your pets and stuff. These will fold out into sleeping spots as well, so you can have access to the kitchen while your kids are trying to sleep with it in that sleeping position. You also have theater reclining seats with built-in cup holders. Perfect view in front of your entertainment center. Fireplace is down below, and I love that the stone around it really mimics an actual fireplace, so it just gives it an extra homey feel. Storage is running along here on the right side of it. And there's your remote controls. Of course, your TV and kind of like a speaker system. Open storage is also up there for decorations and whatnot. And you have windows covering each of these slide outs as well. Now, coming into my favorite part of this camper, this is one thing that I think is absolutely unique. So these are where your steps are at. So like I said before, it's all completely one level up until your kitchen space. But I had never seen a front kitchen until I came into this camper. A front kitchen in Montana. So I think it's absolutely stunning. To my right is your coffee bar. So same solid surface countertops, nice window on the back, power so you can plug in your coffee makers, air fryers, or other small appliances. Kind of got built-in shelves on either side and those cabinets and all of the storage space down below. But just love this extra countertop space for food prep and whatnot. And then across from there into our kitchen space, all of this storage is below your sink and the rest of your countertop space. You also have your 70-30 split stainless steel sink with a spray faucet. And before I forget, our price comes out to be $57,845 for everything. And I also love that these match and blend in with the countertop space. But you can be sitting here doing your dishes and still be able to watch the TV, see what's going on with the action, your kids running around, and be a part of everything that's going on. And then leading into this kind of more L shape, we have more countertop space, power outlets on the back for, again, small appliances, cabinet space up above, stainless steel residential size microwave. And then we actually have, see if I can do this with my left hand, 3 burners, and it's also stainless steel. Love that it does, again, blend in with the countertop space. And there is your rather large oven. Just next to that, going with the same trend, you have stainless steel appliances, stainless steel residential size refrigerator. It's a very good size. And then finally, you have this little nook area, U-shaped dinette that also folds down into a sleeping spot. I just love this little area. It could be a great spot for breakfast or maybe even just reading a book while your kids are sleeping. Just nice little quiet time space. And you also have another gorgeous view wherever you park your camper with that great big window. So there you have it. Any questions or concerns about this Montana, you guys? Feel free to let us know and we will be happy to help.